As from the party point of view, we are also discussing this to set up or not to set up the candidate for the by-election, for the MP by-election, Shillong seats. We have candidates, we have so many candidates are there.
So many candidates.
Yeah, so many candidates are there, but now we have not decided. We have not decided to fill for the contesting for this by-election. Very, very soon we will sit. We'll already informed to the respected president also of BJP Meghalaya to call the meeting to discuss about this by-election. No, that is the instruction came from the central leadership. We have to follow whatever the central leadership has given us the instructions. Whatever the central leadership will give us the instruction, but from us, the BJP of Meghalaya will contest of our own. Yeah, that is only if we have to support any other political party. If it is the decision from the Meghalaya, we'll decide of our own. And we'll set up our own candidate.
From state BJP Meghalaya, we would prefer to contest the elections. As it is, we have been contesting all elections. But of course, if there are any instructions that come from the central leadership, then we will abide by that. Tickets are decided by our central leadership. So whoever they no, it's not a matter of being interested. I mean, you see, the central leadership, they take into account various things, various factors now before they actually decide the candidate. So I think we leave it to their wisdom, and if they decide, then we'll have to abide by that.